Today we have a 1991 Jeep Grand Wagoneer Final Edition powered by a 5.7 liter Hemi. Was restored and restomodded in 2023 and 2024. Just a subtle hint here that's not stock. So we'll take a look under the hood first. This is a new 5.7 liter V8 Hemi crate engine as well as a new transmission. They did not come out of a junkyard car. The engine bay was painted at the time of this, only 1,200 miles on the build. If you saw this car before, we've completely revamped the steering system, new steering box, new power steering pump with an external reservoir. We put a large cooler behind the grill there. You have custom radiator, Hydro Boost brakes. Everything under here is new or custom for this build. Silver Star metallic paint job was completed in 2018. Presents very well. Couple blemishes on it throughout. There's one on the bumper here, probably from a sticker many years ago. The vinyl part of the wood has been redone. They reused the wood trim, you can tell because it still has the rivets here. All four wheels have been refinished as well as 4 new tires. Seats have been recovered. Upgraded audio system and an integrated vintage air system. Have a scratch, small scratch here. Another subtle Hemi badge. New badging all over the vehicle. All of the gauges are digital, showing 1,236 miles at the time of this recording. Air blows great.
500 Elantra C4.
Audio system. Driver's front window. Driver's rear window. Passenger front window. Passenger rear. In here is the controller for the engine, ECU, and transmission. The Terminator X. A nice mount placeholder there. We'll take another walk around. Sounds great. There you have it, 1991 Jeep Grand Wagoneer Final Edition. powered by a 5.7 liter Hemi.